Don't cry, snowman, don't you feel the sun? Who'll carry me without legs to run, honey? Without legs to run, honey. And don't cry, snowman. Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part to Snowman by Sia. I got loads of requests for it last year, but I didn't end up doing it, so I'm going to do it this year instead. It's fairly repetitive. I will attempt to sing each section just as like a reference point, and I've left the whole chords and lyrics linked down below as well as my other Christmas-based tutorials. So this one is in the key of D flat major. So on the screen now are all the notes to the scale of D flat major. So it's got 5 flats. So it uses all the black keys, and the white notes we need is C and F. So here is middle C as a reference if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. So we'll do the intro first. I'll teach both hands at the same time because we're doing the piano accompaniment part. It's going to be mostly accurate. The first chord is the root chord. It's D flat, based around D flat major. So all of this is broken up chords and sort of like arpeggiated. So in the left hand we're going to play D flat and A flat. In the right hand we're going to play first inversion of D flat major. So we've got with the F, and then A flat, D flat, F, D flat, A flat. You do that again. And then this time you do that again. And then you go under to F, A flat, D flat, and then replay the left hand with that F on top. So I'll do that again. That's the intro. So now we're into the verse. I'll just teach you it through first, and then I will demonstrate it with some vocals. So you don't have to play in octaves. You can just play singular notes if you want to. So we have E flat minor. So E flat's in the left hand, and then the right hand is first inversion of E flat minor. So it's G flat, B flat, E flat, G flat. So going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we have A flat major once. So that's A flat, C, E flat, A flat. And then you go back to the E flat minor again, once. And then to this D flat major twice. And the next chord is B flat minor. So all you're going to do is turn the left hand to B flats and turn the A flat to B flat there. And this gives us second inversion of B minor. And we play that twice as well. So I'll do what we've done of the verse so far. So E flat minor, 2, A flat major once, back to E flat minor, D flat major twice, B flat minor twice. Obviously I'm playing this much slower. And then it goes back to E flat minor almost twice, so we have this 2, and then we have G flat, G, it's like a chromatic lead up into the A flat major, to the E flat minor, D flat major twice, B flat minor once, and we've got this. If you can't stretch octaves, just play. So those notes are C, B flat, F, and then F, E flat, D flat. But it kind of plays it right up here, which is just out of shot. So the first half of the verse is very similar to the second half. It's just got those extra singular notes in there in the right hand. So I'll just demonstrate the verse now then. Don't cry, snowman, not in front of me. Who'll catch your tears if you can't catch me, darling? If you can't catch me, darling. Don't cry, snowman, don't leave me this way. The puddle of water can't hold me close, baby. Can't hold me close, baby. And then we're into the pre-chorus. Sorry, I do have the lyrics here. I don't know them off by heart, so I'm just reading them. So the pre-chorus then, we have F major. So the A flat has been sharpened, so we have back to A natural. F's in the left hand or a single F, and I'm the lowest ones out of shot. So we got F, A, C, F, C, A. So you just do that once, 1. And then we have the B flat minor, which we had before, once. The A flat major, once, that we had before. And then the D flat major. Back to the F major, B flat minor, and then we have G flat major 7. So it's G flats in the left hand, in the right hand that's G flat, B flat, D flat, and F. And then we move up to A flat dominant 7, so it's A flat, C, D flat, and then G flat. So I'll do all that pre-chorus again. And then it's into the chorus. I'll just demonstrate the pre-chorus now. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. And then we're into the chorus. So the chorus then, there isn't really any new chords. So the chords are on the screen. I'll just go through it now. So we play D flat major, F major, B flat minor, and then G flat major. So we had G flat major 7 before, so instead of the F we play the G flat. And do that chord progression 3 times. Third time. The D flat major again. We have F dominant 7, so we just change the F to an E flat. B flat minor 7. And then we have E flat minor in the right hand, like we've had before, but with G flat in the left hand. And then the chorus ends with how the music starts. D flat major. So that's the chorus. Again, nothing really new. So I'll just demonstrate the chorus now then. Let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever. Will we have some fun? Yeah, let's hit the North Pole and live happily. Please don't cry, no tears now. It's Christmas, baby. My snow. Snowman and me. and then we're into the next verse. So you could just play the next verse the same as the first one and it's all the same, but if you want to be just a little bit more accurate, you can just tweak it a little bit. So the verse then, so we have the E flat minor, the A flat major to E flat minor to D flat major twice, B flat minor twice, so it's all the same so far. And then we have E flat minor. Then you're going to do that again, but you're going to change the E flat to a D flat. Gives us E flat minor 7. And then A flat major. And then here's where it's slightly different. So we have, it's like goes back to E flat minor, but with a 9th in there and a 6th in there. So it's G flat, B flat, C, E flat, F. It just goes up. Into D flat major, B flat minor, and then that little bit again at the end. So some very minor differences in there, so you can add those in if you want to, or you can just play it the same way as the first verse. Don't cry, snowman, don't you feel the sun? Who carried me without legs to run, honey? To run, honey. And don't cry, snowman, don't you shed a tear. Who hear my secrets if you don't have ears, baby? If you don't have ears, baby. I want you to know, and into the pre-chorus, I want you to know that I'm never leaving. Mr. Snow, well, death will be freezing, yeah, you were my home for a season, so come on, let's go. And then we're into the last chorus. Let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever, you will have some fun, yeah, let's hit the North Pole and live happily. Please don't cry tears now, it's Christmas, baby, my snowman and me. My snowman and me. the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you would like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.